Hi, this is Nels with SLUMBERJACK, and we're here today to talk about the Bounty 2.0. This is our largest big mountain pack at 80 liters. It's essentially a 3-in-1 pack system, and I'll run you through all the components and features today. Starting on the front, we've got a removable field pack, which easily pops off. You've got stowaway shoulder straps that come out of the back here, clip onto the front. It is hydration compatible. You've got 2 zippered compartments on the front for organization of gear and personal items, as well as a large zippered compartment. Moving to the primary pack, the zipper runs all the way around the perimeter. We've got PALs in key locations so you can run any sort of accessories you may have. The side pockets have been redesigned. On the left side, as you see, we've got 2 pockets. We've got an additional slot here which can serve as a sighting platform if need be. All of the compression for the primary sides are now able to run under the pocket or over if you wish. It's a huge advantage so you can maintain compression without squishing or crushing anything you may have in your side pockets. We've got a dual aluminum stay with the frame sheet, fully adjustable shoulder harness, load lifters. The hip belt has been improved. We now have a pocket on the left belt and a PALS and paddle system on the right, so you can run any sort of accessories or carry a paddle holster if you're permitted to do so in your region. Also, the hip belt has been improved with the friction plate at the bottom. Tuning to move around, the right side pocket has been increased in size. It's now a little bit more square, higher volume. That's from direct feedback from our ambassador program and those that wanted to run larger optics. We do have a weapons carry system, so you've got an adjustable pocket here. You've got an additional tie point with a lockable side release, and then the field pack can go right over the top of your optics to keep everything safe. The frame and the pack bag are fully removable, so you can turn the frame into basically a soft freighter frame for any meat bag or harvest or big game that you're carrying out. You can also, as a result of the compression straps with tons of webbing, float the pack bag away from the frame, which allows you to run any sort of pack bag or cord or anything actually in between the frame and the pack bag. This is the Bounty 2.0. Check us out at slumberjack.com or visit your local retailer.
Here at CORE, we strive to make camping more comfortable and less complicated. That's why we designed our 9-person instant cabin tent. To set up the tent, remove the contents from the carry bag and lay the tent flat on the ground. You will notice that all of the poles you need are already attached to the tent and connected by 3 hubs across the ceiling. Starting at one end, lift upward on the V-shaped ridge pole until the elbow joints flex. While one person stabilizes that end, work your way around the tent, flexing all of the elbow joints until all of the leg poles are standing. Extend the telescoping poles until you hear the locking buttons engage. Repeat this until all 6 leg poles are fully standing. Setup's complete. Now stabilize your tent by pushing the stakes through each ground loop at a 45-degree angle. For rain protection, drape the water-resistant rain fly over your tent and clip it to the leg poles in between the locking button and the pole connector. Now guy out the tent and tighten the slack adjusters. Toggle in the room divider if you're using it. Now you can bring your gear in through the large front D-door or use the T-door on the side. With this time-saving setup, you'll have time to step back, relax, and outdoor more.
This is the Vortex Strike Eagle 1-6x24. Speed and versatility define this 1-6 optic. A true 1 power provides quick target acquisition in close quarter scenarios. When you need to engage targets at distance, crank it up to 6 power and let it rip. High quality, fully multi-coated lenses deliver a clear, crisp sight picture and optimal low light performance. The illuminated glass-etched BDC reticle sub-10s with popular 5.56 cartridges and features 11 intensity levels to accommodate changing light conditions. An extra battery can be stored in the windage cap and released with the tip of a bullet. The fast focus dial on the eyepiece ensures that your reticle is always tack sharp, waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof for reliability in all weather conditions. Whether you're burning through a 3-gun stage, logging some range time, or predator hunting, the Strike Eagle is always up to the task. And of course, the Strike Eagle is covered by the Vortex VIP warranty.